Target would be the distance from the neckline to the head. Added that to the breakout wherever it's going to break, and then this gives us a nice target at the support levels coming in here on the left. You can see there. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Thursday, 5 September 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the New Zealand, the Swiss and the yen, and short on the Aussie, the euro and the US dollar. Kicking off with the dollar index giving up now after testing that resistance level. Well, missed it with a few points, but I think it's still this sneaky little level that came in here, which I don't think it's that strong, but okay. For me, the big picture here, we have seen the new low, the test of the support level here, the retest of that level now, the old support becoming resistance, and now the sell-off. So I think now we can comfortably say that the bears are taking control, the bulls are giving up. So I think we're now in for another leg down the page. And the next one we can go to is this level here. That should be the next stop for us. So let's mark that level, so that by the time it gets there, that we can see that. But that's the next stop I believe we will see. So this could be a nice directional run for us down the page into futures closeout on the indices, which could have normally a bullish effect on the market. A weak dollar will definitely help that. And gold, another hammer candle, two long lower shadows. We had the bullish engulfing, long lower shadow, and now we've got a very nice hammer candle. So if anybody's not in the trade and would like to join, this is maybe a good enough confirmation. Stop loss down there looks really good at this stage. On a weak dollar, definitely want to be long gold, and I've been holding on very patiently. I was under the water for quite a while, but now we are back at break even. So now hopefully we can see a nice break of the page, but I will stay bullish on gold as long as we keep the all-time highs or the recent ones, and then the weaker dollar there. In Bitcoin, still under pressure, but I see a lot of long lower shadows on yesterday's cryptocurrencies. So there is support, there is buying coming in, but nothing to get excited about. The moment you see the long lower shadow, like you see here on Bitcoin, you see the sell-off. Well, it could be just retesting the halfway mark, but we can see so many of them. Long lower shadow. There is buying coming in, and I like that. At support here also. So that is very good, but the trend has faded over. It is now bearish again on the short-term side. So I'm not excited. I need strong moves at this stage. I'm just watching this and stepping aside. Aussie CAD, I gave this to you yesterday. The retest happened and a nice bearish engulfing, so I did a part of my trade there. The problem with this trade was the risk reward was not great. The risk was about 50 pips, and to that was 50 to 1.27, and that takes me up to 80 to 90. So that's good enough. So I didn't want to take my full position there. So what I did is take half position there, and then on the sweet spot, the halfway mark there, I'm going to add to the trade if it gets up there. Stop loss still stays about 10 to 15 pips above that high. So for now, for that first entry, that's my target. If I can get that halfway mark, that'll give me about a 30-35 pip, and then I can do a 60 pip down to 1.27. But if I only get this first part of my trade, that'll be my final target at the support levels, right above the round level of 900. I would see if I get the halfway mark. If I get that, I'll put another target in at 1.27. You can see here, Aussie, definitely bottom of the pile, CAD neutral, not after that, but I want to stay short Aussie, and this is one of the better ones, so I want to stay here short. Euro Swiss, nice shoulder, head, shoulder, see the neckline here. So I would like to see a break. If you want to trade the break straight, not the best of strategies out there. Patterns doesn't work that well on their own. I would like to see a break, a solid close below, a retest and a candle reversal confirming this as structure. Then I will consider the shorts. Target would be the distance from the neckline to the head. Added that to the breakout wherever it's going to break, and then this gives us a nice target at the support levels coming in here on the left. You can see there. So that's the area I would like to say I would put some targets as a minimum target objective. You can see here euro very weak, Swiss quite strong, so I want to be short here based on my RS also. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Aussie Swiss, need the retracement. Aussie red zone, Swiss green zone, definitely something I want to be short in. So I need a retracement. I'm not going to short right here at support levels. So if I get a retracement back to the 50-61% right at structure there, trend just started, I will then look for some shorts. Pound Australian dollar. Pound neutral, not after that, but I'm after the short on the Aussie, and going long on the pound Aussie will give me that short on the Australian dollar. But I don't want to do it in that sideways range or up there. What I'm looking for is a retracement, and if it retraces sometime or other today or tomorrow, I will then look for some long setups on candle reversals. Then the FTSE. FTSE is the only true directional index for me because the pound confirms. Now the pound is on the stronger side. It was up there. Now it's dropping again, so I'm getting a bit nervous, but the trend is just changing there, and the pound is still on the strong side, which is stock market bearish, and with a retracement back to 61%. Once I get up there with the FTSE, I'll then consider some shorts, and providing that the pound stays in the top 4 spots. I would like it ideally to be in the greens, but the top 4 spots is good enough. Aussie US. Aussie, definitely want to be short in. Red zone. US, also red zone, not after that. The Aussie is the one I want to be short in. So if it tests that level, it missed the structure there yesterday. Nice upper shadow, but missed the structure. So once it hits the structure, candle reversal, I'll then look for some shorts. New Zealand US. Well, on my mentoring group, we took this long already yesterday, but I saw this now, a little flag pattern, the break, the retest, and a candle reversal. So it's a little bit of a bullish engulfing, so there's nothing wrong going with this trade here as a bullish engulfing with the stop loss nicely down below these lows. You can see New Zealand still in the green zone, dollar in the red zone, so I want to be long here, and this is an option. The market is confirming that they're looking at this as a channel or as a flag pattern, so target would be up on those recent highs. That's the minimum target objective of a flag pattern. So we don't need to go all the way up there. You can see here the risk on this trade would be about 40, so 60 to 80, and that gives you 90. So that's good enough. Very nice target, so let's hope there for the best. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.